Tonight I am super excited because I am off out with the new Z6 Nikon camera yet again, but this time I'm off to do something a little bit different. I'm off to try and photograph it in low light conditions, sort of twilight into nighttime. And the reason I'm excited for this is because a few of you who follow me on Facebook and have the Z6 have told me that it's very, very good in low light conditions. So I couldn't wait for tonight to come around so I could get out and test that out for myself. And what's even more exciting is that I'm off to photograph one of my favourite things this evening. Can any of you guess what that is? For those of you who have said lighthouse, you are correct, but I'm off to photograph a lighthouse that I've actually never photographed before. I have featured it on this channel before, but not in a photography vlog, so this is very exciting. Let's see if any of you can guess where I'm off to as I head out to photograph this unusual lighthouse. So welcome to Kinnaird Head Lighthouse. As I say, I have mentioned this place or featured this place in a vlog before, but it was a vlog about tourism and about exploring the Fraserburgh and northeast of Scotland. But I've never been here for landscape photography, and I'm really struggling right now to understand why, because it is incredible. So this is the original lighthouse here, Kinnaird Head, one of the most unique lighthouses in Scotland because, as you can see, it is it's built on top of a castle. Unfortunately, it's not in operation anymore, and we've got this newer lighthouse here that's taken its place. But I love how the light goes round and reflects on the old castle and lighthouse. It's making for some cracking images. And I've only taken a few photographs so far with the Z6, but I am absolutely blown away with the quality of what this camera can do. This is insane, and I can't wait in many ways for twilight to disappear and for all the stars to appear here and see how good it is at picking them up. But what a location! What a location! This has genuinely got to be one of the most exciting photo shoots I've had in a hell of a long time. The quality of the images that that camera can produce is like nothing I have ever shot before. Now, when I started photography, my dream was always to own a camera with a full frame sensor. I've learned over the years that, you know, it doesn't matter what camera you own, you can get good photographs no matter what your budget, but owning a mirrorless camera the full frame sensor has just opened my eyes up to a whole new world, especially in terms of low light and astrophotography. What that camera can produce is like nothing I've ever seen in my work before. And being at a location and being able to test it out somewhere like this for the first time, it's just, I don't think I'm ever going to forget this evening. This is like, being able to loan this camera for 3 months has like reignited and restarted my passion for getting outdoors and doing photography. I feel like in the past year or so I've still been enjoying photography, but I've been struggling to find that motivation to get out. But tonight, in many ways, that has been reignited. And I'm so excited to see this video go out, see your reaction to the photographs, and share this beautiful night with you all.
Wow, what an evening! If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more of my adventures around Scotland, please feel free to subscribe to my channel, and I look forward to seeing you all again next time.